How to get unbanned from Wizz App. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for Wizz support and tap on this particular link that says Contact Wizz. Now, go ahead and fill in the form given to you. Start by entering your name, your email address, select who you are, and further enter your message. Make sure to be reasonable and informative while filling in the text box for better responses from the support team. Further, select the terms and conditions checkboxes and finally tap on the submit button, and with this, the support team will contact you and help you get unbanned. So this is how you can get unbanned from Wizz App. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.